Welcome to this training lecture on smart home ventilation control. In this video, we will discuss controlling fan in bathroom and air recovery system. The control of the bathroom fan is usually connected to the light. This means that the fan turns on with a certain delay when the light is turned on. On the other hand, when the light is turned off, the fan runs for a while longer. The control of the recovery system can be configured in two ways. Either connect the recovery system through the Modbus communication protocol or through an analog output of 0 to 10 volts. Let's use the analog output as an example. We need a formula where the variable is CO2 sensor air quality. This formula does a linear interpolation between the minimum CO2 value. At that point, the recovery performance is 0. Let's say that at the value of 1200, the air quality is very poor and the recovery performance should be maximum.